Conna sa jarfa an average sho as gwelga lesh on sirriher, with the sirriher otherwise known as the passive tense. Firstly, like most things, we want to start with the verb and we want to get the root. That's the key to all of this. So we have tog as our root for take, but then what are we dealing with? Well, it's sirriher, passive. In other words, we don't know who is doing the action. It was made, the money was taken, the person was seen, whatever it might be. We don't know who's doing that action. And we have past passive, present passive, and future passive. So I could say was taken, is taken, or will be taken. Is taken would be togter, will be taken togfer, but here it's was taken togu. It's not this EADH ending because it's broad with broad, slender with slender. After that, I just look at what I have left over. It's the rest of. Anytime I'm dealing with the rest of, I essentially say the other part. Think if I have €100 with this example, if I already take out 80, I'm left with the rest of it. In other words, the other part of it, the other €20. The other part is going to be on chuj ella. We have a H on chuj as it's feminine and it's after the definite article. And then of the is going to be jen, je and on coming together. And for money, it's going to be arrogant. So altogether, the rest of the money was taken. Togu on chuj ella, jen arrogant.